stand up for just a moment. Okay. And so, in your partners, decide who first has dementia and who doesn't. Who's the caregiver? So decide. Okay. So the person who has dementia, go ahead and put your hands behind your back, and then close your eyes. And then the caregiver, go ahead and just go ahead and touch. Okay. All right. So. Okay, we have very good, very good clients. Okay, so now let's switch. Okay, so the other person, you be the person with dementia, and the caregiver, you go ahead and put your hands behind your back and close it. Okay, that's good. Good.
Okay, so we each like this.
You each like it. Kind of felt like a massage.
Do the deep breathing and then you do that.
Yeah. Start with deep breathing and then do a massage. Okay. So, but how, when you were the person who had dementia, how did that make you feel, just not knowing when someone was going to touch you or where they were going to touch you? Was there some?
Yeah, I'm always touching Mom.
You're always touching your mom?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think, I don't know how much trust comes into the situation, but I personally am very trusting here. I trust Holly, right? Even if I was doing it with Debbie, or say your name again? Anuhea, I would feel comfortable, and maybe that's not the situation when you're not processing, right?
Yeah, I think because part of it, logically we know, okay, I'm in a safe place, but if we couldn't logically comprehend that, I could see how.
If we didn't know you guys, if it was just.
So, kind of thinking about how the lady reacted in the video. I mean, what was her reaction when Tipo was touching her?
I wasn't sure if that was for real, because that was kind of like a skit, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I don't know if that was exaggerated, but I've heard that people with dementia, you have to be careful about touchy, even though your intentions are really sincere and caring. And so that's kind of what I reacted to here.
Okay.
Debbie and I are strangers in a sense, but her first touch was, oh, okay. But by the time she got down to my legs, it was, oh, all right, okay.
So that very first touch was kind of startling, even though you kind of knew what was going to happen, or
I
kind of
didn't
expected.
know if that was because we're not familiar with one another, or because I'm aware when I'm with a group, I'm aware of who I touched anymore. Because I don't want to surprise anybody or make them feel uncomfortable. So
when you felt that first touch, what did it make you want to do? I mean, what did you kind of feel like you step back, kind of move away? Okay. And why do you think you felt that way? I mean, that you want to step back, or
not seeing.
Not seeing. Okay, so not having that visual cue.
Right.
Kind of a
It's a surprise.
I've seen some people that seem a little bit jumpier and startled more easily after they have Alzheimer's.
Okay.
I'm a very hands-on person, and so I'll be talking to someone in a restaurant and go like this, and they see me, and they know I'm going to touch them, and they you can still feel this,
Okay, well, that's a good observation. We'll talk a little bit more about that. So, and I think you're kind of saying that's how you would apply this, what you just learned just in this little bit about perhaps letting people see and hear before you actually do the touch part, right? And remember, if someone feels something and they don't like it, then they want to do less of it, just like Tipo was saying. So, do you feel like it's kind of a true or false question here? Do you kind of feel like, of course, people who are living with dementia and those of us caring for people, oftentimes it feels like we do to rather than do with. So we did say that's kind of the truth.
Yeah, I think that's true.
All right, we'll go ahead and have a seat. Okay. Good job. Alright. So now we're gonna watch Tipa again and see how this piece goes.